In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Google Photos storage. If your Google Photos space is starting to fill up, the important thing to know is that Google Photos does not work on a completely separate storage system. Its storage is shared with Google Drive and Gmail through your Google account. So, when you upgrade your Google Photos storage, what you are really doing is upgrading your Google One plan. That gives you more total cloud storage across all three services. To get started on a computer, open your web browser and go to one.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with the same Google account that you use for Google Photos. This is very important because if you sign in with a different account, you may end up changing the storage plan for the wrong profile. After you sign in, look for the settings area, then select the option to change your membership plan. This is where Google shows the storage options currently available for your region. The exact plans can vary depending on your country, but some common options include 100 gigabytes, 2 terabytes, and even larger plans for people who need much more space for photos, videos, email, and files. Take a moment to choose the plan that fits your needs. If you mostly store everyday photos and a moderate amount of email or files, a smaller upgrade may be enough. If you back up lots of videos or use Google Drive heavily, you may want to consider a larger plan so you do not run out of space again too quickly. Once you've selected the storage plan you want, choose your payment method and then click subscribe. After that, your Google One membership will be updated and the additional storage should become available on your account. If you want to check how much storage you're currently using before upgrading, go to one.google.com storage. This page gives you a clear breakdown of how your space is being used across Google Photos, Google Drive, and Gmail. That makes it easier to understand what is taking up room and decide whether you need a small increase or a more substantial upgrade. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to review your storage usage before changing plans, especially if large videos or old files are using more space than expected. But if you know you need more room right away, upgrading through Google One is the direct way to do it. That's how to upgrade your Google Photos storage quickly and correctly from your computer.